Hi guys, today I have partnered up with FabFitFun to bring you guys a fun little video. It's their members picks box, and I'm really excited about this box because it's a little bit different than their typical seasonal boxes. This box is the members picks, so they're all of the top rated FabFitFun products from like past boxes, and you get to pick which products you want. You get to get online and there's like different, it's kind of like multiple choice, and you get to pick which items you want. It's a box that's perfect for you, and I always love getting FabFitFun because it's just really cool products right to your door. They're all full-size products, and everything in the box values at over $200. And if you guys use my code that I'll leave here on the screen, you can get your box for $39.99. It's really a great value for everything that you get. So I'm gonna share what I chose in my box. These members picks boxes actually go really fast. The last one sold out really quickly, so if you guys are interested at all, make sure to use my code and pick yours up as soon as possible because they have been selling out. So I've actually already been using some of the products already, and I just put everything back in my box to make it look pretty to share with you guys. So FabFitFun always has a couple of things right here, and first of all, let's just say, guys, their boxes are always so stinking cute, right? So they usually always give you like a couple coupons. This one's for like personalized wine, and then for HelloFresh. And then they always have a little magazine, the FabFitFun magazine, that gives you all the details on like your products. It kind of shares some of the other top items that were in here. These West Elm tie-dye bowls. I know when I was choosing, there was like a Pottery Barn diffuser, there was a really cool rug, there was a bag. I actually kind of leaned more towards some of the beauty products this time, just because when fall and winter hits, I get way more into my skincare, and the products just looked really cool this time, so I wanted to try them. But first off, these slippers, and they have like a hard bottom on them. I love them so much. I've been wearing them ever since the day I got my box last week, so I think these are so cute. I always have to wear slippers or sandals in my house. I just cannot be barefoot. I don't know why, it just like bugs me. I love that these actually have like a hard bottom on them because I'm always like running in and out, letting my dogs outside or whatever, so they're just like perfect for me. Super cozy. I love like the gray little knit. This next product I haven't actually tried on yet, but I chose this one because here you guys can see up close. I chose this one because it looks so similar to the other necklace I have on. This one I had to pay like over $100 for, and I usually get a question about it in every single one of my videos. You guys ask where this necklace is from or to link it or something. So I thought I would snag this one. The brand is Amber Seats. I think that's how you say it. It looks exactly like the one I have on. And this one, like I said, I had to pay over $100 for. I wear it all the time. It goes with everything. But you can get an entire box full of goodies, full size, everything. And this comes in it too. So I wanted to try this one and just sort of compare the two. And also I wanted to mention FabFitFun, they always partner with a different charity, and right now they're partnering with No Kid Hungry to make sure that kids get 3 meals a day, and I just love that. I love supporting a company where I know a portion of the money is going to a great cause too. We are going to compare the two necklaces. It literally looks so much like my other one. Here we go. Oh my goodness, it's so similar. So similar. And this is so affordable. Comes with the box. So if you are one of the people that have been asking me about my necklace in any of my videos recently, just get the box. What else do we have in here? Okay, so like I said, I leaned more towards some of the beauty products, which you guys are probably surprised because I always love to show like home decor and stuff on my channel. Like I said, there was like a really cute rug or like that Pottery Barn diffuser and stuff, but I don't know. Like I said, I just get really inspired to get like my skin in shape in the fall and winter. So one of the first products, I've actually used this a few times already. This is the Tarte Drink of H2O, and it comes in like a big, let's see if it's focusing. It's pretty big. Like I said, it's a full-size product. It's like nothing I've ever felt before. I've been putting it on my face like every morning and night. And then if I ever have any extra, I always like rub it on my hands and stuff. It's a very different consistency. It just feels so hydrating and so like refreshing. It smells amazing, everything. So I love this, especially going into the fall and the winter. Like in Michigan, the weather just changes so quickly that my skin just feels like instantly dried out. Also, I got this little beauty blender in mine. I haven't used this yet, but this is makeup drop. So I always need, I'm trying to make sure this is focused. I always use a little sponge like this to put on my makeup, so this is perfect. Oh, and this one is cool because it has sort of like a slanted edge, it looks like. See how it has kind of like a slanted edge right there? That's perfect for getting under the eyes. I also picked up, this is by the brand Touch and Soul. Well, I didn't pick it up. I chose it for my box. This is called No Pore Bloom Primer. I love using a primer too. Sometimes I just like wearing a primer, like if I'm not even gonna wear any makeup, because I feel like it just conceals a lot of my pores and they don't look as visible. You guys can see like the consistency, super creamy, and then just kind of like blurs out your pores. My hands are gonna look so good today, and it smells amazing. Okay, so this is another product I've been using since I got my box last week. This is just a cleansing cream with truffle extract. It's whipped cleansing cream. For some reason, when I opened this, I was expecting it to be like an exfoliant or something with beads in it, so I was a little nervous, but it's not. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be that way, but this one just feels like very delicate on the skin, but it gets all your makeup off like really easily and everything. Actually, I heard that like exfoliating cleansers, like they can kind of make little tears in your skin, so that's why I was really glad it wasn't actually an exfoliant. Really pretty packaging. Skin & Co. is the brand. Then I tried this mask the other night. Oh my goodness, I think it's so good. Once a month, guys, I normally start breaking out right here. I'll just get like a couple zits, or it could be because of wearing like my mask and stuff too. I don't know what it was, but I was starting to break out a little bit right in this area, and I used this mask, and the next morning it seemed like everything was all dried out. I don't even know if there's anything there anymore. So it's Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask by Generation Clay. So I really loved the way that this mask made my skin feel, especially like, I don't know if you guys are getting any acne with having to wear an actual mask. I have noticed like my skin breaking out a little bit more, so this is just totally necessary. And then I grabbed this Levito Nurturing Hand Cream, and I got this because I wanted to try out something different, because I use hand cream every single night when I get into bed. It's just a part of my routine. I put on hand cream, so I just wanted to try a different one. This one's really, really hydrating. It's like thick and creamy and smells amazing. All of these products are full size. If you were to buy any of these products just on your own, you'd probably be spending over $39.99. So you guys can get the entire FabFitFun Members Picks box for $39.99. Everything in this box values at over $200. So if you guys want to get your hands on one before these Members Picks boxes sell out, make sure to use my code that I have here on the screen for you guys so you can get a little money off. FabFitFun ships to the US, UK, and Canada. So if you guys are in any of those areas, you can get one. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I just thought it was really fun to share all of these really cool products with you guys. So like I said, you can totally customize it to what you want or what you're interested in. So this is just what I was excited about. So I hope you guys liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And thanks to FabFitFun for partnering with me today on this video. And I will see you guys really soon in my next one.